We're at the Terry Fox Memorial here just outside of Thunder Bay, where he ended his epic run from St. John's, Newfoundland. Made it as far as here before the cancer came back. Beautiful monument to him, tells his story. Unfortunately, Trans-Canada is right close, so the noise, the traffic is crazy. Looking out in Lake Superior. Must be a beautiful spot on a sunny day. Terry Fox Memorial outside of Thunder Bay. Craig and I drove across the country in August of 1980. We have a picture of his RV support vehicle. Probably the last place he stopped. We didn't know it at the time. Great Canadian. Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. Beautiful spot. Lots of great hikes. Interesting geology. Lots of people. Popular place. Great place. Lake Superior. Sea Lion Trail in Sleeping Giant Provincial Park. Great spot. Really beautiful spot. This morning on Lucy's Great Canadian Adventure, we are at Sleeping Giant Provincial Park on the Sea Lion hike. Great little spot. Some nice geological fixtures. Very popular hike because it's not very difficult. Beautiful spot. Lucy's not too impressed because she's not allowed to go swimming. Lucy's bound to leave her scent on all these trees that the squirrels climb up. This morning we're at the Cuddlewich Homestead. It's a historic kind of place in Birds Hill Provincial Park in Manitoba. We're near, well, north of Winnipeg, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, close to the town of Selkirk. Beautiful provincial park, huge, and so many different campsites and different homestead things. It's friggin' awesome. They have polo fields for people, horse trails. Yeah, very nice place. This morning we're at Pine Hollow, little farmer's market artisan strip. So it's just at the border of the Birds Hill Provincial Park. It's got, I don't know, a dozen, 14 of these artisan shops, a farmer's market, a couple of restaurants, and on the weekend in that building at the very end, there's a farmer's market on Saturdays and Sundays with 30 to 40 different vendors. Really nice little place off the beaten path. Great idea. This little squirrel is pushing its limits. That was close. We're in Saskatchewan at Moose Mountain Provincial Park. It's our first night. We've got a campsite really close to the water. They're really nice private campsites. Well treed, well separated. Yeah. Crazy nice. And the sun's not far off from going down here. This morning we're in Moose Mountain Provincial Park in Saskatchewan on Little Kenosha Lake, I believe it's called. Historic building here. So beautiful, the stonework and the windows. That's their information center. Our campsite is just spectacular, nice and private. Can't see the people next to us, can't hear the people next to us. And it backs onto the lake, which is kind of handy for Lucy. And these are the grounds leading down to, I believe it's Little Lake Kenosha. Yeah, beautifully maintained and taken care of. Yeah, it's really good.